Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what cards are accepted by Revolut. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the main content, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a current account, and a business account. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 20 million customers. Now, let's get into the main content of this video. What cards are accepted by Revolut? Accepted cards. Revolut accepts most major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. However, there are few exceptions. Revolut does not accept Diners Club or Discover cards. In addition to credit and debit cards, Revolut also accepts a number of other payment methods, including bank transfers, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. How to add a card to your Revolut account? Adding a card to your Revolut account is easy. Here are the steps. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Cards tab. Tap on the Add Card button. Enter your card details. Tap on the Submit button. Once your card has been added to your Revolut account, you can use it to make purchases and withdrawals. Using your Revolut card. Using your Revolut card is easy. You can use it to make purchases online, in stores, and at ATMs. You can also use your Revolut card to pay for bills and services. Revolut fees. Revolut offers a number of different plans, each with its own set of fees. The most basic plan is the free plan, which has no monthly fee. However, there are some fees associated with using the free plan. For example, you will be charged a fee if you withdraw more than £200 from an ATM in a foreign currency. The other plans that Revolut offers are the Standard Plan, the Premium Plan, and the Metal Plan. Each of these plans has a higher monthly fee, but they also offer more. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.